2018 Toyota Sequoia. We're getting ready to pull this the transmission, basically the cooler off on this. Basically what they do on this now, they pump antifreeze down to the cooler block here, and then your transmission fluid runs through this cooler block. And that's how they warm the transmission fluid up to reduce drag so the gas mileage comes back into par for the EPA. On this block right here, you got your cooling block. There's 3 bolts. You got 2 on this end and then 1 on this end down here, and they're 12mm bolts. That is your 3rd bolt. So just to kind of let you know where that's at. So right now we'll take these 3 bolts out. And what you're going to find when you take these bolts out, of course, fluid's going to run out on you a little bit here, but then you're going to have an intermediate plate that is underneath this cooler plate. And you have to work back through that intermediate plate for your bolts to be long enough to do the job once you put the adapter up on there. Okay, well, we got all 3 bolts out now. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pull the adapter, pull the plate, your cooler block back. Let it run off just a little bit. Now your secondary plate will come right off the side of the transmission now too. You'll be working off this side of the plate. So you have to work through this plate when you use the adapter so that your bolts aren't too long, and you might possibly crack the transmission case with your bolts being too long if you don't use this block. And you have to make sure you keep track of your O-rings, because you have O-rings in your intermediate block. You've got 2 O-rings that are embossed into your block. So make sure that you keep track of your O-rings and make sure that you don't cut your O-rings. If you do, you'll have a leak. What we got here is we got our adapter on to do the service now. And this is your secondary plate. So like I said, you got to work with your secondary plate and the adapter so that your bolts aren't too long. If you take the secondary plate off and just try to use the adapter, there's a good possibility that the bolts will bottom out into the transmission or possibly break the internal bolt hole off on this. Or if you bottom the bolt out, there's a possibility you could break the bolt off in the side of the transmission. So always use the secondary adapter with the transmission adapter to do your service with. Always make sure too that your O-rings are in place when you get ready to bolt this back up. Always keep track of those O-rings. Make sure they're in the sealing grooves. If they're outside the sealing grooves, when you tighten this back up, you're going to cut your O-rings. You're going to have to replace O-rings. Here, once again, on the back side of your cooler block itself, you also have 2 O-rings here that are indentated into your block. Always make sure those O-rings are indentated in your block, and always make sure you don't lose your O-rings. If they're outside the embossment that's in your bracket right here, you'll cut your O-ring and have to replace O-rings or have a leak. So, okay, we've got our 3 bolts started back in there. Don't have to be super tight. Just make good draw to where your O-rings are sealing. Okay, the bolts are snug. Now I'm going to get the adapters that go onto this plate, because we got 2 quick disconnect adapters that snap on this to where we can hook up to do the flush. These are the adapters that will snap up onto that adapter that we just put on the side of the transmission. Basically, these are quick disconnect. So once these get snapped up in place, all you got to do is just push down on this right here, and it will release the locks that's locking them onto the stem on there. 402-00680 is the part numbers of these. And then your secondary adapters will go right on the end of those, so that it hooks up to your transmission machine to get ready to do the service. So now we'll go up and snap these onto where they need to be. There we go. Both adapters are snapped up in place now to where you can do your service on the transmission.